Topic: Financial literacy. Investment means allocating money into assets such as stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or businesses, with the expectation of future growth and returns. Savings alone often lose value due to inflation, but investments help money grow steadily. Through proper financial planning, individuals can achieve future goals, such as higher education, business expansion, or retirement security. This creates a more sustainable, and independent financial future. Moreover, investment plays a vital role in economic development. Therefore, investment is not only beneficial for individuals, but also for national progress. Another important aspect of investment is financial security. Emergencies and unexpected situations can arise at any time. People who invest wisely are generally better prepared for financial difficulties. Such preparation creates emotional and economic stability. Stability in life. However, investment also involves risk. Financial markets are often volatile, and prices may fluctuate due to economic or political conditions. Many people fear investing because they lack financial knowledge. This fear often prevents them from taking advantage of long-term opportunities. Therefore, financial literacy becomes extremely important. Individuals should understand concepts such as blind investment without knowledge can become financially detrimental. Technology has transformed the investment world significantly. Digital platforms and mobile applications have made investing more accessible than ever before. Governments and educational institutions should encourage financial education among young people. Understanding money management and investment strategies at an early age can help individuals make wiser decisions in adulthood. A financially educated population contributes to stronger economic growth and reduced poverty. In conclusion, investment is not merely a financial activity, it is a powerful tool for achieving security, growth, and independence. Wise investment creates wealth, strengthens economies, and prepares individuals for future challenges. In the modern world, financial awareness and investment knowledge have become essential life skills. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected judges, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends for giving me this valuable opportunity to present my thoughts. Your patience, encouragement, and attentive listening truly motivate and inspire me. I sincerely hope that my speech was informative, meaningful, and worthy of your precious time. Thank you very much for listening so respectfully and attentively. I wish all of you a future filled with prosperity, wisdom, financial success, and endless opportunities.